In this video, you are going to see how to calculate percentage in Google Sheet as you can see here. Let's get started. Let us calculate the percentage over here. Here I have the marks and I have the total over here. To calculate the percentage, let us select this cell and go to format, go to number and click on percent. Hit equal sign and let us choose this number and hit the divided sign and choose this one and hit enter and you will see the percentage. If you want to drag it down like this. The output for this cell will not be correct, so I have to make it the absolute. Click on over here and before the B we need to enter a dollar sign. Before the 13 we also apply the dollar sign to make it absolute. Now drag it down and the output will be okay. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.